Hey y'all, I'm going to be doing a spend the day with me / evening with me. So I'm at work right now. I work 9 to 4 and then I'm going to get off, go home, shower, and then me and my niece is going to go to the store. So y'all can just go through this little day / evening with me. Let's get into it. Okay, just a little update. I am still at work. I have 2 more hours left. I am ready for it to be over. Not really, but you know what I mean. And then I will update you when I'm out of work. Okay, so I got home and I already got my clothes ready for the shower. I'm gonna go shower, oops, and then me and my niece are gonna go to the store. Say hello to my baby. Okay, so hey y'all, me and my niece are back from the store. I'm sorry that I did not record. It was a little chaotic because the stores that we went to was very busy, so I didn't record. But we first went to the Dollar Tree and I got 2 of the new little hand sanitizers. These are the sugar cookie scents. Never had this one before, so maybe it'll be good. I found the Viral Strawberry and Cream Conditioner, and then I also found the Viral Vanilla Coconut. They smell so freaking good, like so good. I also have the matching body wash to this. I could not find the shampoos of either of these, so yeah. From the grocery store, I got hamburger patties, because I'm making hamburgers tonight, some mayo, mozzarella cheese for the burger, and they're delicious. I've never tried these, but I just tried them in the car with my niece and they were so good. I got hamburger buns and fries as well, and then I got some paper plates from the Dollar Tree and caramel apple cowtails. I also got 2 packs of paper towels from the Dollar Tree. And that is all I have done. I'm going to take y'all with me later cooking. So, yeah, stay tuned. Okay, now that I put everything away, I'm going to go ahead and put away our clothes that I washed. So, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, first we got to go to the closet and find some hangers. So, let's do that. Got some hangers. Now we're going to put the clothes up. I'm first doing my boyfriend's clothes first. So here's his jeans, his shorts. These go in the drawers, not in the closet, so I'm folding those and then I'm going to put those in there. Like socks, underwear. Yeah, you know what I'm doing. Shirts on hangers. Now we're going to put them back in the closet and I'll be right back. Now I'm done putting up our clothes and now I'm going to put up the towels. Okay, now that I'm done putting the towels away, I'm going to go ahead and pick up in the room a little bit and I'll show you me doing that. Okay, I just had to let my dog out, so now we're going to pick up. The only thing that I really need to pick up is these bottles and stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I made it look all neat and clean in here, so I'm done. Okay, so I'm going to relax until I have to cook supper. He gets off at 8, so I'm going to start cooking after he gets off, and I will show you how I do that.